Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Airalo and Saily. Both Airalo and Saily are popular eSIM providers, but Saily is a newcomer and is backed by NordVPN. It offers a user-friendly app with strong customer support and potentially better pricing, while Airalo is more established and known for its wider coverage and overall quality of service. A more detailed comparison, Saily is backed by NordVPN. It is known for its user-friendly app. It offers 24/7 customer support through live chat. It potentially undercuts established brands like Airalo. Saily's website shows network speeds by country, and it offers data-only eSIMs. While Saily is growing, it does not have the same coverage that Airalo does. Now, Airalo offers eSIMs for 200 plus countries and regions. It has a slight edge in overall quality of service. It's a more established brand in the eSIM market, and it offers data-only eSIMs. The key differences are Saily's app is more user-friendly, while Airalo's app is considered the market leading. Saily's 24/7 live chat is a strong selling point. Saily may offer better pricing in many destinations, but Airalo has broader coverage. Saily is more transparent about its network speeds by country. Both providers offer daily data-only eSIMs. If you prioritize a user-friendly app, strong customer support, and potentially better pricing, Saily is a solid option. If you need extensive coverage and a more established provider, Airalo might be a better choice. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.